Hi guys. Earlier today, I was in a defense and sporting show, gun show, and yes, I saw that they're making guns, buying guns easier. I mean, it's so easy now to buy guns, although you have to have passed those requirements. But yes, people buy guns because they want to feel safe and secure in their homes or when they go out. They want to buy guns so that yes, they will have some element of safety. And well, in America it's actually a right, but here in the Philippines, yes, that's a privilege that some can attain, owning guns. And well, in a way, it's working here in the Philippines. It's harder to own guns, and I think responsible people should have the right to own guns to defend themselves and feel safe and secure. In another news, based on the latest statistics, the Philippines is around 6 to 7 million active users of the internet. So imagine that, it's like more than half of the Filipinos have some kind of social media presence. They use the internet for information and entertainment. And well, because many are using it, to watch news. I mean, it's relatively free to express our opinion, to create content, to show people content, which is, we have the freedom to do that, which is nice. But sometimes though, because when there's a free flow of ideas, people differ, and a lot of cases, some people resort to bullying. We call it cyberbullying. And just this afternoon, a friend of mine who has a son who creates videos doing Rubik's Cube, who's really good, is like the national record holder, has a bully who keeps on making obscene messages on his YouTube videos. Some guy is like using foul language to sort of like insult the boy who happens to be 10 years old. And in a way, that guy can easily make that comment, because my friend tried to block him, but I think he has another account, and he still makes some really bad comments on my friend's son, and which is sad, because hey, they may be jealous, or they may just have time in the world. They have time to do it. The problem is the boy reads those messages, and it's not good to expose kids to foul language, also hate language most of all, which kind of sad, because of course, instead of motivating someone to do better, to do well, we're trying to like discourage someone or make fun of someone, and to an extent, it just utterly hurt someone without thinking of any consequences. Honestly, there are no consequences probably, because some people now just use fake accounts. Really sad. So Globe recently has this campaign called #MakeitSafe, because they feel that they want the internet to be safe for Filipinos. Maybe I'm a YouTube creator. I write articles for my blog as well. And yes, it would be nice, it would be good that we will support this campaign to make the internet safe. Take back the internet from the trolls, take back the internet from the hate and the foul language and all those cyber bullies who just, I don't know, probably don't know what they're doing, or some are really deliberate, which is also pretty much anyway sad, because the internet is a good place to learn, a good place to get entertained, because many people now use the internet to get their entertainment, to get their news, to get updates for their friends and families. And if that place won't be safe for kids especially, or for anyone for that matter, I think it's it poses a bigger problem if the trend continues. And I hope you support that, and I really support that. So I'm gonna use the hashtag MakeitSafe. Make the social media, make internet, make it safe for the youth, for example, make it safe for creators that they just get be able to create their content without facing that kind of hate, because it's, hey, a lot of creators are doing this just because out of passion. It's not that they're making money. Not all of us are really having as much subscribers as those popular ones, but because out of love, out of passion, out of being inspired by others, some people do content, and it's not right, I think, to just make fun of them and bullying them, and even turn them into memes and expose them to just foul languages to make them hurt. And I hope that you support that. We hope that we will have more people who are concerned of this kind of behavior, and I hope the legislation also will be stronger, will have more teeth, and really hope that yes, something must be done against cyberbullying. So please guys, if you support this campaign, start using the hashtag MakeitSafe, and let's expose those people who are trying to ruin the social media or the internet experience for all of us. So thank you so much for watching, and this is day 20, I think. This is day 20, and if you haven't subscribed, please do, and hey, let's make it safe.